Hello friends, welcome to DCS Techie. This is Yashvanthan. Today we are going to see about digital environments, set extensions, simulation and 3D modeling. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more updates. When I searched for references based on these topics, I never got enough references. So I have seen more VFX works of many companies and picked the best ones based on the topics such as digital environment, set extension, simulation, and 3D modeling. I compiled these VFX shots in a way that anyone can understand the topic. Kindly watch the VFX compilation videos in my channel. CG environments are computer-generated realistic real-world environments. Any environment which is too difficult or impossible to film in real life is created using CGI applications. Artists use modeling and sculpting software to create this. Once the master and establishing shots are aligned, the other groups usually follow quite easily. Environment artists first create a wireframe commonly referred to as a mesh of the environment. This looks like a series of overlapping lines or interconnected polygon shapes in the shape of the intended 3D environment. From the mesh, they are able to further sculpt the environment to more closely resemble what's intended. They use digital tools such as sculpting brushes and a physical graphics pen. After modeling the 3D environments that they produce, can then move on to get texture and lighting. Photorealistic rendering is a process that involves developing images from 3D models. The software used generates an image, but it appears real and lifelike. In the series The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, the whole New York City was created digitally.
To begin our process, we created a highly accurate representation of New York City and its shorelines based upon real street maps and detailed satellite reference. This digital city was then enhanced with street-level set dressing, digital rooftops, moving traffic, local watercraft, detailed aircraft, and iconic bridges.
A set extension is just an act of extending your set in the post, and that can be achieved by using matte painting or rendering programs. Interpreting art direction from the art director or film director, set extension artists enhance storytelling by creating complex digital backgrounds, landscapes, and environments using a range of digital tools involving painting and rendering programs. The set extension can elevate the production value of a scene, turning any mundane shot into something epic and engaging. Set extension artists should be skillful in layout modeling, 3D and 2D texturing, shot look development, VFX lighting, 2.5D matte painting, and render pass composting. Set extension artists use a variety of techniques to make viewers feel completely immersed in the story and feel that they are part of a believable world. We can create set extensions in some innovative ways to get the most out of your production with little VFX magic. Our lighting and environment should have the exact same feel across the entire shot. "3D simulation is a computer graphics technique that allows artists to create realistic effects like destruction, fire, liquids, smoke, and particles in their scenes. The job of effects artists revolves around creating digital simulations and procedural workflows based on real-world or supernatural concepts that move or react under the basic laws of physics. Simulations can be realistic or stylized depending on the type of effect and how it is used. Modeling in 3D is the process of building and shaping a character or an object in 3D software. To do it, we need concept art. Concept art and design are arguably one of the most important phases of pre-production. A concept artist or a team of artists creates the look and feel of a film by drawing fully fleshed out images that further define settings, characters, props, costumes, lighting, color, and more. A rigging team must build a system of controls or a digital skeleton for animators to manipulate. This usually involves adding bones, calculating and implementing skin weights, and adding muscles to replicate the natural movement of a character. Animators use the custom controls of the rig to bring a character, prop, or vehicle to life. Simulation artists will often work alongside animators and modelers to ensure that natural movement and interaction with colliding effects elements. Texturing is applying the color and surface properties of the model. Animators deal with an infinite variety of textures, including fur, scale, wrinkles, sweat, and dirt. Compositing is the process or technique of combining visual elements from separate sources into single images, often to create the illusion that all those elements are parts of the same scene. Compositors use elements like color correction, masking, and other tricks to create the illusion that all elements naturally belong together in the same scene. Nuke is mostly used application for compositing. Digital cinema scissors technical procedures for creative edit and aesthetic final delivery. This book is available on Amazon Kindle, and it is also available as a paperback version.